Why, hello. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now, this is a new site. This is a traffic site. This is what is called a traffic exchange. Now, this is what it looks like when you receive it, when it comes out the box. It has not been touched. Well, it's been touched a little bit. The name of the site is ABBA Traffic Exchange. Okay, so the site administrator of the VA that's responsible for this site has made a few changes. Okay, but we do need to get some graphics and make it a little more personalized. Okay, now the VA that is responsible for this site is Saddle. It is Saddle's responsibility to work with this particular metal. We actually, Sal and I, we talk just about daily. He is the chief operating officer for the entire team. Now back to the site here. Again, this site is in beta testing. I'm going to share with you guys the strategy that we are using to promote this site. Now we have decided to take a strategy that doesn't require any money to promote. We're going to grow this particular mailer, this traffic exchange, without spending any money. Now, some of the sites that we will be using, they do have upgraded memberships where where I paid to become a member to upgrade. But the sites that the team will be using, the strategies that they will be using will be free sites, okay, free mailers, free traffic exchanges, posting on social media. They have put together a complete strategy on how to do that. Now keep in mind when you're using free resources, it will require time. The rule out there is if you don't have if you have very limited amount of financial resources, then you exchange your time to promote a product. Very little resources, you use your time. If you want your time back, then you will utilize paid sources. So if you have money, if you have a pretty nice budget, then you could get some of your time back. If your budget is extremely tight, then you have to exchange time for your budget. Now remember, success leaves clues. Everything that we touch shall prosper, for we are blessed coming in and blessed going out. All things work together for our good. On our team, we're believing to live a good, long life. 120, 130 years of age in good health, climbing up a new mountain. So I want to say to you, I hope and trust that those of you that are viewing this video, that you are believing for the same thing for your families. Take care, and we'll talk later.